My name is Moin Virani. I'm the Business Operations Manager here at the Talent Shoe Factory. We're a shoe manufacturer based in Dubai, and we provide high quality footwear which is completely handmade. We generally use all sorts of machinery depending on what type of order it is. If it's a mass-produced order, we generally use things like rafting machines, post beds, and also for lasting we have our lasting machines. But if it's a custom-made order, we generally do it all by hand, from the Goodyear welting of the shoe all the way to upper making, pattern making. Everything is completely handmade. There's a lot of ambiguity, right? So every day is new. Every day you wake up and it's like a new adventure, because you're working with a new client, a new product, something that's never been done. It's like a mashup of imagination with the engineering of shoes, right? That's where we have great technicians on board, but we need those designers who come and work with us to challenge us, and with us using our technical know-how and our engineering skills, we transform that into a beautiful pair of shoes. At a Talent Shoe Factory, we empower our designers and the customers that we work with. We really provide them with all the tools that are necessary to get a unique product out in the market, especially with the artisans that we work with, bringing in their talent and handmade expertise.